Hello and welcome to a new video. So today in this video, we are at the smoking area at Lanzarote Airport. So we are watching aeroplanes. There's a toy aeroplane there, taxiing, and Jet 2 planes at the gate there. There's a Ryanair plane taking off there, and today's shout out, cause I know he loves planes. It's Dwayne. So Dwayne, thank you for watching my airplane videos. I know you enjoyed them, so thank you for watching. That looks like an old airplane over there. That's taxiing to take off over there. I do love this airport. It's a nice airport, isn't it? There's a TUI airplane taking off. There's a British Airways airplane there, and it's going to Gatwick Airport. That is pushing back to take off. To go, yeah. Looks like an A321. I think the British Airways tail colour is the toothpaste for kids. Just like the kids' toothpaste sign colours. Oh, there's the old plane taking off now. I wonder where it's going. Don't know what airline it is, but if someone knows, please let me know. Thank you. Yeah, the green airplane there. Those are the ones that are a bit funny. Could they don't need a tug to push them back, so they can do some magic, so they can push themselves back. So yeah. And there's 2 terminals here in Lanzarote. And those planes have to board from the back, those green airplanes. Don't know why. Maybe because the baggage thing is at the front, not in the belly part. And then the cockpit is behind it. So yeah. So there it goes. Yeah, loads green airplanes go to the other Canary Islands and Spain and things, so yeah. I think that one's off to Tenerife, I think. Not sure. That's what I think. That one of that airplane goes to the runway now. Now, question for you. Do you like the... Oh, there's an EasyJet A321 there, that's not ours. Do you like the dark Jet 2 planes? That one there? Or with... Yeah. Or do you like the white Jet 2 planes? Yep. I don't know which one, but I think the white one, I think, looks better. I think branding is on point with the Ryanair stairs, I think. Let me know if it is. Sorry about the shakiness, it was a bit cold out. Yeah, Jet 2 have Boeing 737s, A321s and A330s. And EasyJet have A319s, but I think they're going away. They got A321s and they got A321s. They got 22 A321s. So there's one of them, and we're on the next one coming in. So yes.
Follow the car again. Look.
The EasyJet plane is at gate 9. Well, there's the British Airways A321 taking off there. There we go. Go to Gatwick Airport. So if you want to film plane spotting out here at Lanzarote Airport, please come here. It's the smoke area and film it. And if you stand on the surface here, head hold the bars. Otherwise you fall off the edge if you don't. So that's that green plane taking off to turn away for thing. There's our airplane, I think. Yes, we were gate 2 at Lanzarote Airport when our A321 came to pick us up to take us home to Gatwick Airport.
Where do you think it's going to park? I am.
Granddad still hasn't got your message.
Even though there's good internet at the airport here at Lanzarote, yeah, the WhatsApp messages don't send through for some reason. Well, my end anyway. Don't ask me why. So yes.
car, look, can't you?
Yeah.
Can you zoom in a bit? And don't get these bits in. Look, go in between the two. Move it that way.
No,
You don't need the post in it.
we do. Oh, here it comes now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think that Jet 2 pilot on the airplane had his captain window open, cockpit window open, but he'll close it before he takes off. So that's the airplane. So thank you for watching. Oh, there's a Jet 2 plane pushing back there. So, like I said, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, thank you. Bye bye. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, thank you. Bye bye. See you next time. Thanks again. All take care. Thank you again. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed it.
Going over there. I was going into the game thing.
Is it turning?
Yeah.
Okay. Just gotta wait for Daddy now.
He's there.
No, he's having a smoke.
No.
That Jet 2 plane is pushing back to go take off. So thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, thank you. Bye bye. Hope you enjoyed it. Once again, thank you. Bye bye. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next video.